In this video lecture, we are going to look at an example of time module in Python. Okay, I told you that we can use time frame to monitor when you log in or log out of your website. And some people might be thinking, how can this be done? And as a developer, let's just go ahead and try out a simple example on that. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to say create login, time for message, and time for log out. So I'm going to say log in 1. So this is time I logged in, and I'm going to say time dot time frame, and I'm going to say message 1, and this is too long. Let me say mgs, or is that msg or what? 1, anyone? I'm going to say time dot, so this will take this time, they will be different, and log out. I'm going to say log out 1 is equal to time dot time frame. So this 3 has taken the first time when I logged in. This time we hold that, and when I send a message, this takes it, and when I logged out, this takes it. Now let's go ahead and print out these times, and for us to do that, we have to pass this into the local time so we can be able to read it as human beings. Else they will print it out for us, like for as machine work. Let's go ahead and say log into. Let's pass these to local time. I'm going to say time dot local time, and inside this local time, I'm going to pass in log in 1. This is login 1, and the same thing is applicable to 2. And that is, I say MSG 2, and this is time dot local time, and I'm going to pass in MSG 1 inside here. And for the logout time, and I'm going to say log, that is logout. Logout 2 is equal to time dot local time, and I'm going to pass in log out 1 right inside there. Log out 1. Now I've passed in this into the local time, but we need to break this down further and get log out at login and message. So let me call that to be login. Login now is equal to time dot asc. So this is time that is readable by us, so we can be able to know that, and go ahead and insert login today. Login to, and for the message, I'm going to call this to be time dot asc, and this is MSG2, and for the logout, and this is going to be time dot asd, and this is logout2. So logout2. So this is what I have, and let's go ahead and print out the 3 immediately. So print login, and print logout, and for the message, go ahead and print message. Alright, so go ahead and run this code and check it out. Boom. Okay, I don't need the time frame here, but is this time frame that we are able to use? Okay, so the time of logging in and log out are almost the same because I didn't wait. I was just doing everything the same time. But if I go ahead and change this ms1 to ms2, you see the values will change. The values will change. So let's go ahead and change that to ms2 because the time has changed and changes to ms2. And now let's go ahead. Wow. I have ms2 before, ms3 and ms3. And go ahead and run this code and check it out. Alright, so this is Tuesday, there's a Wednesday, August 15, and time is 11. That is 11, 53, 42, and 2018. So let's go ahead and check out why there is no change at this at all. Let's check it out. Now, if you look here, you can see that log out, log in, and messaging was done at the same time. Let's go ahead and remove this so we can see everything. Okay, so go ahead and remove these from here. Okay, so I can say that you logged in. You logged in at, okay, you logged in at, or on this and that, and next one, go ahead and copy this and put that in all these so that you can be able to show them. So you messaged on, and you logged out on this. So we can be able to do that. Go ahead and put a comma at the end of all these. Comma at the end. Now, there is what is called a delay in Python. So, go ahead and use a delay and delay if you want to do that. This helps also track login, message, and logout. So, after login, we have to delay for some time because when you logged in, you can just start messaging and log out all at the same second. So, go ahead and say time.sleep. And this will be in seconds. So, let's say after 5 seconds, and the next one, time.sleep. And let's say 5 seconds or 7 seconds. Now, let's go ahead and run this code. So where you log in, it will take the time, and after 5 seconds, you send a message, and after the next 5 seconds, you log out. Therefore, our time frame will be different. Okay, so let's go ahead. This is in seconds, so we'll be looking at the seconds down here, and they'll be different in seconds or 5 minutes. So go ahead and run this project and let's check it out. And you can see that is a delay. It has not printed out. Logging in is taking time. I'll drag this up so I can be able to see that. So you logged in on Wednesday, August 15 by 12 and the same minute, but the second here is what? 49, then minus 49 from this is 5 seconds. You see that? So after the 5 seconds, you messaged, and after the next 5 seconds, you logged out. And you can see that this tracked your time you logged in, the time you messaged, and the time you logged out. So this is how websites track you using the time frame. Okay? And this is how Google track all your activities on Google website using the time frame. So if you minus 54 from 59, that is 5 seconds, and minus 49 from 54, that is another 5 seconds, and this is working out perfectly. And I'm now happy that we are able to solve this problem. So I hope that is really good. The code is still very before you. I'll put this down, and you go ahead and pull it down on your laptop and check it out. So now you can go ahead and use the question and answer sections if you have any question. And thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.